Hey guys, I want to show you how to, this is a profile GE dryer, and this is the unit with the double pulley. It's a massive machine, and the belt can be a little bit difficult. Not a lot of room, and pretty good tension. It's a massive drum. It actually requires two pulleys to help moving that heavy weight. So it's hard to see, but once it's done, you'll pretty much see how it's done. You bring the belt almost like a U, upside down U, down to the motor pulley, and basically pull the belt towards the other pulley, the one on the right, and slip it over. And that's pretty much how it's done. Like I said, not a lot of room. Take your time with it. Don't cut your hand or hands. And that's it. You can rotate it with the blower wheel. It's a lot easier to make sure that the belt is not twisted, both sides. Make sure they're smooth and straight. Because if they're twisted,